What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great, and today I have an unboxing of a DJI Mavic Pro Drone Clone. Say that fast 5 times. Let go. How's it going, great ones? I am here with an unboxing of the, what does that say? Eachine E58 Pocket Drone. Fast and easy for anyone to fly. I picked this thing up on wish.com. It was just glaring at me in the face. I think they sent me an email and it was like 50 bucks, 55 bucks, and it's supposed to be a DJI Mavic Pro Clone, drone clone. Okay. All right, so let's crack it open and see what it looks like. First of all, the box is like extremely small, so we'll see how big it is. Got my little unboxing tool here. Let's crank this guy open. I've always wanted a drone. I felt like that was the one thing that was missing from my docu-vlogs that I do. It's a nice, cool drone shot to include with it. I think would be the icing on the cake. I bought a drone, I think last year, for like 40 bucks. Thing was crap. Couldn't fly it because it didn't have GPS, and come to find out that it was a racing and stunt drone. So yeah, there was no way your boy over here was going to be able to learn how to fly that. So I'm going to crack this box open for the E58, show you guys what comes inside. Right here we have the Eachine E58 English manual. So this will pretty much give you all the basics of the drone itself, and I guess here it is, flight control, and I'm not going to sit here and read all this. I'm going to show you what's in the box. So go ahead and remove this here, and this is what you're looking at when you open it up. Now I'm pretty sure that when they advertised this, they said it was Mavic Pro Clone. This looks more like the Spark, so it's more like a Spark clone. Let me go ahead and take the remote out first. You know, build that suspense. Okay, so here's the remote here. It feels pretty rugged. It feels pretty sturdy. It's plastic. Never had a DJI Spark or a DJI anything to know what it feels like, but here's your little, what is this? I think these are supposed to be like antennas, but these things, there's nothing in these. So I think it's supposed to just give you the look like there's antennas, and then you put your mobile device down here, and it looks like it has these 2 little lips. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's really cheap. Well, I thought I broke it. Yeah, so you put your mobile device in. That's really cheap. I'm gonna break this thing. I know I am. Just picture. Is that supposed to? Okay, so my iPhone 7 Plus won't fit on this. Let me go and grab my iPhone 6. Okay, so I got my iPhone 6 here. Maybe this will fit in here a little bit better. Let's try it. So yeah, looks like I'll be flying this thing with my iPhone 6 and not the 7 Plus. So that's pretty much how it looks with your mobile device in there. It connects via Wi-Fi and an app that you download, and I'll show that app to you once we get that far. But let's take a look at the drone to see what that looks like. Here's the drone itself. So it's got like some kind of little wire on the back there, and there's a battery pack. This thing is tiny. It's tiny, and you know what, there is no weight to this whatsoever. If you're gonna get this, I would definitely recommend you do not try and fly it in the wind, because I don't think it's gonna fare well. This thing has no weight to it. Peel a little sticker off the camera here, and it does look like a Mavic Pro. You just unfold it, but I think this is more like a, did I do that right? Oops. A piece just fell off. I don't know what this is, but it just fell off. So, okay, so here's the drone. This thing is 100%, without a shadow of a doubt, plastic. And these wings, like I said, I don't have any experience with a DJI Mavic Pro or Spark, but these wings, let's see if it turns on. Well, there's more stuff in the box. Let's see if there's a battery in there. What they give you here, here's the charging supplies here. This is it's a little standard micro USB charger. We have a screwdriver. Something tells me you're going to be needing that a lot. And you got some spare wings in here. Yeah, you're probably going to be needing those. What else we got in here? We have, oh look, we have some propeller guards. 4 of them. Anything else in here? No. Okay, so let's see. Did they ship this thing dead? Let's see if we can power it on. Okay, this is the battery. Looks like this is the battery here. And I think they shipped this thing dead. Let's just double check and make sure. Press and hold the power button. Oh, look at that. It turned on. So let's see what the app looks like. Okay, so we got QR codes here for the iOS system app JYUFO. Please scan this code. Let's see if we can just look it up in the App Store. I think we found it. There it is. If you can see that. It's got a 3 out of 5 star rating. Okay, so there's the app there. And you see it has a play on there. So let's click play. Man, there's a gear. And I forgot to mention this thing. It came in 2 different variants. There was one that had a 0.3 megapixel camera that shot in 480. I got the, I think it's a 1.3. I don't know if it says it on the box anywhere. That shoots in 720p. So I figured, yeah, get the 720p, throw it in a 1080p timeline, and might look halfway decent. Look at this, got a fake little view of a city on there. Let's take the remote here, pull the fake antennas up, and put our phone in here. And all right, so let's turn this on. Dagnammit, you know what? Now I know what that screwdriver is for. I need to put batteries in this. Okay, while the drone itself is rechargeable, it doesn't look like the remote is. It takes 3 AAA batteries. So I got those loaded up in there. And let's see how complicated the pairing process is. What just happened? Play. Okay. So turn on the remote, makes a little beep. Why don't I just read the directions? Because I don't want to. Okay, so it says first you go into your phone, go into Wi-Fi, you'll see the UFO device. It doesn't say Wi-Fi UFO at all. Okay, so it says Wi-Fi 720p. So we're gonna tap on that and we're connected. Oh, okay guys, so check it out. The picture doesn't look that too shabby on the phone there. That's the camera. Move it around. There's me. So yeah, it looks pretty decent. So So I just want to show you guys, I'm going to turn it on. I'm not going to fly it just yet because I'm really not that good at flying drones. You guys seen an example of that before. Okay, I got a little bit more education to give myself on this drone, on how to activate it, how to get it flying. I need to read and see if it has GPS, because I can't remember if it said it had GPS when I purchased this. That's the one thing that's going to help novice drone flyers, that GPS helps out a lot, because with it, you know, it's easier to control the drone. You're not 100% responsible for its flight. So I kind of hope it has that. The camera here, I want to show you the camera. There's the camera there, if you can see that. And I'm not sure it moves or not, but you can physically move it with your finger. So if you want to get the overhead shots, you can do that. Or if you want straight ahead shots, you can do that. I'm not quite sure if you can control that via this remote. It's just gonna give us another reason to do another, like a part 2 video on this once I learn how to fly it. It has a micro SD card slot right here. You just put your little micro SD card in the bottom here. So the micro SD card is in there. Let's see if I can just record something. So it says it's recording there. You see the little blink in there. So are you recording? Really? Are you really recording for me right now? Because that'd be cool. Because you could take pictures, overhead shots with it. You know, stuff you can do with a typical cinematic drone. Doesn't look like I could play it back on my phone and look at it. Okay guys, there you have it. That was my official unboxing of the Eachine E58 Pocket Drone. Wish.com. They have so many of these on Wish.com. I don't know if I can even leave a link for you if you're interested in picking this up. Consider this like part 1 of this video, because I do want to get it out there and try and fly it. See if I can fly it. And I'm going to try and find out some more information too, like if it has GPS or not. If I find out in the course of editing this video, I'll put something on the screen down there to let you know if it has GPS or not, because that's going to be really helpful for novice flyers like myself. Do I think it's worth the 50 bucks? I would say yes so far. I haven't seen how it flies yet, but the camera quality seems to be pretty nice. Looking at it on my phone, 720p. I guess you throw it in a 1080p timeline, it won't look too bad. And if anything, it's a good starter drone. This is be good for me to learn how to fly a drone, and then once I get really good at it, eventually graduate up to an actual DJI Mavic Pro. But this is more like a Spark clone. I wouldn't call it a Pro clone at all. Plus it's very plastic, but hey, it's $50. You can't complain, right? 50 bucks. Why would you complain? If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, you can do so. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. There's a little purple box. You can click on that, subscribe that way. There's another box below the actual video. You can click on that and subscribe that way as well. Don't forget to click that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great with his little Mavic Pro drone clone. Saying Audi 5000 G.